I always make this salad for Christmas because it's fresh, it feels fancy, but it's super quick to make. Even the dressing takes just 2 minutes. Hey, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I make a lot of these simple and quick recipes in very short videos. If that's your jam, subscribe for more. I like to start by making the dressing first. Today, I'm doing it in my blender, so it blends quickly, it's smooth and delicious, but you could also simply shake it in a jar. So first I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard. Dijon is a staple in vinaigrettes. It makes it thicker. I'm using apple cider vinegar because it's a little milder than white vinegar. You could also use white wine vinegar for this. And then to make it, sweeten it up and make it really festive, some maple syrup. No dressing would be complete without some salt. And for good measure, some black pepper. You'll notice that I am not adding the olive oil yet. I am first going to blend this until I have a smooth mixture, and then I'm going to open the lid and through the top directly pour the olive oil so it gets homogenized as it blends into a smooth and creamy dressing. Now, this dressing is great to make ahead of time, so what you can do is take a dressing jar and pour it in. Now that the dressing is ready, I'm simply going to assemble this salad. I'm using field greens for the salad, and I usually just build it in the same platter that I'm going to serve it, so it's all right there. One reason this salad is always a hit is that there's so many textures in it. And I love to add a fresh, crisp apple like Honeycrisp or Fuji's that are nice and tart and acidic. And I simply slice it and place it on my salad. Since we're slicing, I'm gonna take a shallot. Shallots are just like onions, and I'm going to simply give one a quick chop so the pieces are small to balance out the sweet. And now I just take these and sprinkle them over my salad. Let's take our apple slices and also distribute them around our salad. I also love some dried cranberries. So they're so festive and seasonal, and they're sweet and tart at the same time. For crunch, I'm adding some chopped pecans. They can be fresh, toasted, or glazed pecans. They all work. And then this is a total personal preference, but I like to add some blue cheese sprinkles over the top. And this maple apple cider vinaigrette just really brings it together, and it just makes it look so beautiful. Check it out. Grab everything you need to make this 2-minute vinaigrette and this quick salad right below this video. See you next time.